What we need is belief in ourselves, in our children, in our families. We need a dose of self-love.
Yes. Yes.
We need to understand that if you love yourself, you do not put poison in your veins. And if you love the woman who bore you children, you do not mutilate her because she is sexual. More sexual about virtue of having born you children. If you feed gristle to somebody else's meal, somebody else's product is coming out. You need to learn that in our history there were no wife beaters, no teenage pregnancy, no prostitution. All of this came in with foreigners. No orphanage because we didn't need any.
Right.
We wasn't throwing away children. No nursing homes because grandma and grandpa had the same home they always had.
There you are.
And no sociology because we didn't need caseworkers.
Go ahead, doctor. Go ahead.
Uncles, grandma, nieces, they were the caseworkers.
Yes.
It was on your case too.
Right.
And no single girls because at a certain age, if you wasn't married, you hadn't found one, someone will find one for you. The aunts and the uncles got together